Hi guys, welcome back to another product review video by Daniel and John, and we're going to have a quick look at this Diall Aluminium foil tape. We purchased this from B&Q/DIY.com. You can also buy it from Screwfix. It's made by a company called Kingfisher PLC, which is actually the company that owns Screwfix and B&Q, in case you didn't know. It's 50mm times 45 meters, so you've got quite a lot on the roll. You can get it in various widths depending what you're using it for. We're just going to show you the quality and a few more bits of information.
So I've lost that a little bit now, but when it arrived, it had a nice easy pull tab so you can get it open straight
So it's got
away.
No backing on it, it's straight on sort of thing.
Now some tapes you get have got a backing on, the real pain. So I'm using this at the moment to fill holes. It tears nice and easy, and I tell you what, it is sticky.
So it's basically aluminium foil with adhesive on the back, nice and easy to apply.
And you would use this on polystyrene, foam, sheets,
flooring, all sorts of stuff basically. To stop, you can use it to stop drafts coming through. Because it's a bit more stronger than duct tape and things like that.
Will literally stick to anything. So
it's quite sticky, isn't it? The thing. So let's show it up close. So that's what it looks like in case you're thinking about buying it.
Just watch the edges there, because that's me.
Sometimes the edge can go a bit funny on these tapes.
Don't go throwing this around, because it's like, literally is aluminium. So there we go. We'll put this hole there. And the good thing is, if you look at it, it moulds as well because it's metal.
Yeah, that's the other thing, important point John's made, is you can actually push it into things. Obviously, not too hard because it'll break, but it's ideal for sealing things up and sealing it up properly. You know, you can double layer it and things. I mean, we're going to use this now to, in essence, create a seal along here. So we just do that with it. So you can see it's really easy to apply, and you can use this for a wide variety of applications. I'm surprised, and I've used other stuff in the past, how well this has gone on. Yeah. Some of the aluminium foil tapes we've used before have like a backing on them, and you have to pull it and pull it off. With this one, it's straight on there, and it's very easy to apply. In this corner, just can put my finger on it and pull it. Yeah. Which is really good. Push a bit off. Stick it on. There we go. So you can see that you might just want to. You can see you can just press it in, and it adheres to this stuff really well. In case you think about buying this single bubble foam insulation. With a bit of a top tip. Sometimes when this on, it can be a bit sharp on the edges. So just get a cloth. Yeah. And just push it in, and that way it will mould in to where you want it. So we hope this video is helpful if you're looking at buying this product, just wondering what the quality's like, how it goes on. Yeah. And you can get it in 100mm width as well. Obviously, how much was it? About £5? It's about £4 or £5. Yeah. Worth having just in the house. This. Yeah, it's handy stuff. Especially if you've got somebody who's really talkative. Anyway, December 23rd, 2023. Those who know us, happy Christmas. I hope your life is. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you are. And watching our channel. And yeah, if it gets you out of a sticky situation again, you know, putting some tape up or whatever, we'd appreciate if you could thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.